In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating daily to-do lists with ChatGPT. If you're someone who struggles to stay organized or wants to optimize your productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Start up a conversation with ChatGPT by clicking on the chat icon right here or typing a command or prompt right here. Let's say, ChatGPT, could you please provide me with my tasks for today? So let's see how ChatGPT responds by hitting send right here. So as you can see, ChatGPT would agree to help you out, though it needs context and the list of tasks you'll be doing for that particular time of day. For instance, I'm planning to finish work assignments that are due tomorrow, and I also need to start settling everything up for a vacation with my family tomorrow. So for that, I wrote in everything right here, just so ChatGPT would provide more in-depth with my command. So you can see right here, and hit send. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. So, as you can see, we have a neatly organized list of tasks for today, complete with descriptions and priorities. Right here, this makes it incredibly easy to see what needs to be done and when. Of course, sometimes you might need to tweak your to-do list a bit. Maybe there's something you forgot to include, or you want to change the priority of a task. For example, add gym workout at 5 p.m. You could add this, or you could include, for example, include research new project ideas as a task. Or perhaps you could include both of them right here. So let's see how ChatGPT generates. So as you'll see, ChatGPT will promptly update your list to reflect these changes. Editing and customizing your to-do list with ChatGPT is as simple as typing out your requests. And there you have it. This is how you create your daily to-do lists using ChatGPT.